Yeah, so this is my new gimbal now. I'll take this from the scooter, from a scooter cam, and then other things. I'll probably use it for some basic stuff as well. This is gangster. I don't know if you can see it, that's Coventry. Pretty much right on the skyline. Oh, right there. Right. It's the Shire Halls, I think, innit? One of them. It's like the travellers having that to pull like the carts or whatnot. Oh, Dad, I can see you. Look at this. This is the way you want to relax. This is the way you do it. There's a train coming towards you. This is my idea of chilling. Got to be a bit of countryside. No matter where you live, you just got to get out in it sometimes. I think it's the colours, the tranquility, the whole thing of it, to be honest. It just relaxes me. Oh.